How to log into your CommSec account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your CommSec account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference, or if you are doing this from the mobile app, simply open the app. The process is basically the same. And then you'll see the option either login or sign up. Now sign up is the option for those who have not yet created an account or have not set it up. Now since we already have an account and we just want to log it in, we can simply tap on the option login. After that, enter either your client ID number of your CommSec account, or if you have a NetBank account, assuming which you created an account with, you can simply enter your NetBank client ID or your client number and then enter the password of your CommBank account and you'll be logged in. But for now, since I already have my client ID, I'll simply type it in and then enter my password. Simply tap on the option login. But in case you do not remember either your client ID or your password, you can simply tap on the option forgot client ID or password, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully logged into your client CommSec account. And as you can see, I've successfully logged into my account, and you can basically use your CommSec account from here. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.